Hello friends, now another new month has just started and it's time for our App of the Month video where I'll be talking about 10 new Android apps. Now 7 of them will be Android apps and 3 of them will be all new Android games that you can play. So what are we waiting for? You're watching Guiding Tech, my name is Ashish and let's get started. Now friends, before I get started, I just wanted to let you know that all the 3 games that are mentioned in this video will bring back that nostalgia feeling from childhood. Well, if you don't believe me, do check out this video till the end. And the first app in the list is AccuBattery, and this is one of those apps which your battery will love. Well, AccuBattery is a doctor for your phone's battery. It's said that a phone shouldn't be idly charged beyond 80%, as every charging session causes a bit of wear and tear. So how do you achieve that? Well, AccuBattery comes with the unique idea of setting an alarm for the charging session so that as soon as the charge reaches 80%, it will sound an alarm. Beyond the battery alarm, the app is teaming up with helpful features from displaying the amount of juice left to showing the amount of juice consumed by the apps. Well, this is brilliantly structured by the app. What's more is that you can even check the charging and discharging speed of your battery. The interface is seamless and I bet it will make a permanent home on your device. Moving on, the next app in the list is Key Mapper, and the idea of the app is to use your hardware keys for other specific tasks that you can choose. Using this app, you can give different functions to hardware keys like home, recent or the back button. So let's say you want to assign camera app to your home button, well, this app will be able to do that. If you want to give the action to double tap on the recent app to just go to the last app that you were working on, Key Mapper would make it possible. Well, this app only works on devices which comes with hardware navigation keys, and if you think about it, it's a very useful app. The one thing to note about this app is that it only works with the navigation hardware keys and it's not supported for volume rockers and power button at the moment. The third app in the list is Wall Key Scrolling, and the idea behind the app is that you can use your volume rocker buttons as a scrolling interface for your Android device while you are operating your phone using just your single hand. All you need to do is select the apps for which you would like to have the functionality, save the settings and voila, you are done. There's even a global activation which will enable the function throughout the apps. Now, if ever a conflict of interest arises where you would like to use the volume button to change the media volume, well, you can just pull down the notification shade and then use your volume rockers. Now moving on, the number 4th in the list is Meteor App Speed Test. And this is a speed testing app with a slight twist. Not only it will enlighten you with the data speed at your end, but it will also let you know what you can expect from the apps that you have installed on your device at that particular speed. With speed ranging from poor to awesome, this one's sure a unique way to determine network speed, I would say. It has a total of 16 apps that you can choose from. The notable ones among them are YouTube, Facebook, Google Chrome, and moreover you can even have a glimpse of your network speed in various locations in a history format that is designed in the particular app. Now that we are already talking about network speeds, let's take on the next app which will tell you on how your apps are using your network speed. Well, the name of the app is GlassWire and it will give you a real-time analysis on how the apps are consuming the internet from your Android device in real time. So as I already mentioned, it will track how the apps are consuming your internet in real time, and if you find that your data is disappearing in the middle of the month, you can now know that which app is responsible for that and you can simply uninstall the particular app. The graphs can be viewed for daily, monthly, hourly, and the time ranging can also be custom so that you have good control over what you see and what you consume on your internet. Moving on, the next app in the list is NuGet Quick Settings, and as the name speaks, this apps work only on devices that are running on Android 7 and above, and those devices which are running actually the stock variant of Android. So how does it work and why it is actually useful? Well, using NuGet Quick Settings, you can add different tiles on the Quick Settings notification shade, and all these tiles can be like launching an app, launching a camera, using different settings and so much more. So well, if you are running near stock version of Android Nougat, this one is definitely to go for. So the next up in the list is an app with a desi name called Kibrit, and this is basically an audio news app. This particular apps enable you to listen to news just like the good old times from comfort of your smartphone and parallelly complete your work on any different app or computer that you're working on perhaps. So all you need to do is set up a language that can be English, and it's also available in Hindi, and listen to the news that you have queued on the particular app. The news bits are short and crisp, and there are many categories available for browsing. What's more is that you can create your own playlist. Now that we are done with 7 apps, let's have a look at the 3 latest games that you can play, and the very first one is Titan Attack. Now Titan Attack is a revamped version of a popular arcade game called Space Invaders. It requires you to shoot swarm of aliens waiting to invade Earth. As you move up the levels, the alien also levels up, and soon you'll find yourself battling giant bombers and huge motherships. In the process of hitting an alien ship, you are awarded with points which you can later use to upgrade your ship, buy new weapons, and do so much more when it comes to customization. What makes the game stand out is the neon lighting and the cool sound effects. And hey, while you get addicted to the game, just make sure that you don't step on falling debris. The next game in the list is Roller Coaster Tycoon Touch, and this game is from Atari, and it packs in amazing 3D graphics which require you to build and manage an amusement park. The game is slightly heavy at 172 MB to be precise, and will help you to relive your nostalgia on your smartphone. Now last but not the least, the next game is Super Mario Run, and from what I believe, all the 3 games that we have included in the list brings back that nostalgia feeling. Now I don't think that Super Mario would need any introduction. Just check out the footage and see how you can play this game using just your one hand. Now it's been years since the game first came out, and still you need to guide Mario on his mission to save Princess Peach from Bowser. The game has more than just typical gameplay. You can also play the rally mission and collect toads in the progress. So friends, those were the 10 new apps of the month. Now do try them and let us know which one of them is your favorite in the comments below. Now if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Well, that's all in this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Up until then, take care and have a wonderful day.